A different lunch or dinner. Very simple to make and everybody loves it. In a pan, let's add oil, chopped onion, garlic, and let's fry them very well. The amount is the one you prefer, okay? Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now let's add 1 kilogram of chopped sausage. If you don't like sausage, you can use another thing, a healthier thing. 400 grams of heavy cream. Mix it all and all in medium heat. Now let's add 200 grams of cream cheese. This recipe is super creamy, guys. And now let's put the salt, paprika, and mix it all again. Remember, you can use your favorite seasons here, okay? I also added, to finish it, some parsley. I love the taste of parsley, alright? But it's totally optional as well. And now, you know, the rice that lasted from lunch or dinner, we are going to reuse it. So in a tray, let's add the rice like this. And if you don't have rice already, you can make it. And then let's put the sausage on top of it, this way, as you can see on the video. Meanwhile, there's no secret, guys. It's super easy, okay? Even who had never cooked before will be able to make it. And now let's finish it with a lot of cheese on top of it and take it to the preheated oven just so the cheese to be melted. I also added some oregano, and guys, it's a huge success. It was in the oven just so the cheese could be melted, okay? And look at it, guys. Seriously, it's perfect. A great option for your lunch or dinner. Very creative recipe, done in just a few minutes. You know, those days you don't know what to do, what to make for your family. You're tired of eating every day the same thing. So now we have a second option, cheap and super tasty. And you can even reuse the rice from the previous day. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. This recipe is breathtaking. And I'm gonna leave now, guys. If you watched until here, it's a sign that you liked this recipe. So if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us. Thank you so much and see you guys on the next video.